get a better deal. There's a deal going on around now, 2.75 or 2.5.
Just a quick little update. I'm out here in Inglewood. A little bit of protesting going on tonight. Not here, but downtown LA. So SoFi is doing just fine. I was hoping to see some lights. It had been a week ago that they had that exterior lighting going on. Got some fireworks going on here. That's interesting. But just the inside lighting for now. And if we take a closer look, you can see a little bit of Oculus. Oculus is not on. That's too bad, but just give it a little bit more time, and I think I found a pretty good spot over here, right by the Forum parking lot off of Pink High. So I was thinking maybe you'd be able to see it from the sidewalks and stuff, or fans could maybe hang out and watch the action from the 4K video board, but it might be a little bit difficult. Plus, you're got that area there. It's kind of an observation area, and people are walking by, so you're gonna see a lot of bodies and heads, passing along this area here where you'd be trying to focus on the Oculus. But yeah, it looks pretty cool though. I've yet to see it lit up in person, so hoping that'll happen soon. You can see some of the stadium lights are on. It doesn't seem like it's crazy bright, like it's full lighting systems go, but seems pretty decent. And some kind of I don't know if that's security or Inglewood PD. Can't tell with my viewfinder. I guess those are police lights. I can't tell. It's really dark. Oh well. Some kind of security or police, one of the two. I guess that'll just about do it. No lighting. I just see some of the lights over here on the NFL office and NFL media building. Just some of their kind of construction lighting, I think. That'll be lit up too one day. All the offices and stuff. Alright, so that's it from SoFi. We'll be back here for another night update when they got the light show going, so long for now.